Welcome to your 8-minute plank workout. These exercises are great for flattening your abdominals, getting you a smaller waist and really toning up your abs. Hi, I'm Gabby. Welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. If you've not already hit subscribe, go ahead, do that right now. Today's video is an 8-minute follow along plank workout. There's going to be a timer at the top of the screen so you can see how far you are into the workout. Let me know how you found it at the end and leave me any feedback down below in the comments. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button too, and let's get straight into it. Starting off by bringing both the forearms, popping them down towards the floor. So you want in number 11 with the hands. Then from here, you're going to send yourself back on towards your knees. Now you want the hips forwards, forearms down to the floor. We're just warming up. You're going to lower the feet down, tuck the toes under, lift the knees all the way up, hold, and then drop them back down again. Inhale in, exhale, pull the navel up, belly button up, lift the knees up, and roll back down towards the floor. Tuck the toes under, lift the knees all the way up and hold, and lower back down. Now as you lift the knees up, I want you to press the middle of the back up towards the ceiling. I want you to pull your belly button towards the spine, and you really want to think about engaging through the abdominals. You should not feel this in the lower back. If you can feel it in the lower back, you need to really invert your hip, tuck your hip bones into the belly button. Lower back down. Give me 3 more of these. Lift the knees up and hold. And lower back down, 2 more. Lift the knees up and hold, and lower back down. Now this last one, you're going to hold it. Inhale, exhale, and lift the knees up and hold. I want you to bring both the feet together. Now squeeze your inner thighs together right now. You're going to squeeze your glutes together as well, and you are just going to hold. You want one gorgeous straight line from the crown of your head all the way down to your heels. Inhaling in, and exhaling away. Stay right where you are. I know it's getting tough already. Stay right there. Keeping those knees lifted, the feet are going to go out, in. So the feet walk out, in. Now I have socks on today, but you can do this however you want. You can have bare feet, you can have trainers on. As you walk the feet out, and in, back in again, I want you to keep those hips so still. Maybe you need to close your eyes right now because it is burning. Keep going. Out, in. Out, in. As the feet walk, keep your hips glued in the air. Give me another 8 seconds here. Then we're going to take a quick child's pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Push the hips backwards, reach the hands forward. Really quick child's pose position. Inhale, exhale. Then bring the hands underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips, eye line down again. You have something balanced on your back. Tuck the toes under, lift the knees up, and hold. So this is your preparation plank exercise. The knees are just hovering up and away from the floor, and you're pulling your belly button in and away from the floor. Inhale in, exhale away. Now without moving your hips, step one foot back, step the other foot back. Shoulders over the top of the wrists, and the belly button again is squeezing in so nice and tight. Have you got one straight line from the crown of the head to the heels? Now make sure your hips aren't here. You've got a straight, gorgeous line. Eye line is down. Pull those inner thighs back together. Inhale, exhale. We're going to move into one of my favorite exercises. I get the most change in my waist from this exercise. You're going to lower down to the forearms, and then you're going to roll your right fingertips to your left elbow. You're going to go into a side plank, reach the left arm all the way to the ceiling. Now if this isn't accessible for you, your underneath knee is on the floor. If you're up here, just hold stillness for me. The feet are nice and stacked. Further modification, if you're in between somewhere there, you can always walk both feet like that. Stack the feet, inhale in, exhale away. Now you're going to lower your underneath hip down to the floor, and then you're going to press it all the way back up and lift. So lower the hip down. This one is so great for getting you an hourglass figure. It's so great for pulling the waist in, getting you that hourglass figure you've always dreamed of. We're going to look like Kim Kardashian. All the way up, squeeze. You've got 2 more, all the way up and lift. You've got 1 more, all the way down. Now you're going to uplift and hold right there. keeping that hip as high as you can. You're going to take little tiny lifts with the hip. Lift, lift. It's a little pulse in action. Up with the hip, driving the waist away from the floor. Let's get that change. Stick with me. Go 7, go 6. We're going to go center in 4. Don't drop the knees. 3, 2, hold. Now back on to your forearms. Inhaling in. Exhaling away. Stay right there. Keep breathing. So important to keep breathing. A little bit of stillness here in a forearm plank. Have you got that straight line? Have you got everything squeezed in? Rotate left fingertips to right elbow. Roll around. Another side plank. Remember the modification underneath knee drops down towards the floor. Pushing this hip, top hip, up to the ceiling. Now lower your underneath hip down to the floor and press all the way up and lift. You should really feel it in those obliques, in the side of your waistline. That is where you are currently sculpting out. You're making a change. How much can we make that muscle adaptation today? All the way down, all the way up and lift. Give me 3. All the way down, all the way up. Give me 2 more. You can do this. Stick with me. I am here burning with you as well. Great for shoulder stability too. Working on your shoulders. Now last one, hold up there. Little tiny lift of your hip. Little lift, little up. This hip to the ceiling. 7, 6, 5, center in 4, 3, 2, 1. Back onto those forearms. Now do not lower your knees down. Inhale in. Exhale away. You're going to walk the feet together and you're going to squeeze your inner thighs together for absolute dear life. Give me 8 seconds and push back to the child's pose. Keep going. 6, 5, 4. Push back in 3, 2, 1. Well done. You've got one more exercise. Push the hips backwards, reach the hands forwards. Quick child's pose position. Slowly roll yourself all the way up. Give yourself a little shoulder roll round. Little shoulder roll round. Little wrist roll. Back in towards a plank position. Hands underneath your shoulders. Again, eye line to the floor. Now tuck the toes under, step the feet backwards, lift the knees up and hold. So for your perfect plank, you should not be pressing your lumbar spine down to the floor like this. You should have your tailbone tucked under, the hips rotating in and under. Stay right there, eye line to the floor. Are your shoulders over the top of your wrists? Have you got that gorgeous plank? Now you're going to slowly bring one knee, you can do this, into the chest, and then push all the way back, lengthen. It is a super slow mountain climber. The slower you go, I promise, the more this burns. All the way in, but the better results you get. You want to burn, you want to shake, you want to fatigue out the muscle. That is how you get the change that you want. Squeeze it in. Exhale, push back, lengthen, hold that plank. 3 more, in, push back and hold. You can do this. 2 more, in, push back and hold. Just 1 more, squeezing in. Now press back, lengthen, and stay right there. Your eye line is down. Connect your mind to body. Remember why you switched on this video today. You switched it on to make a change. So just give me a final 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Toes together, open the knees, push the hips backwards. Child's pose position, rest the shoulders. And then roll yourself all the way up through the spine. Little shoulder roll round. We made it. I'm gonna give you a high five right now, but I can't, so drop me a thumbs up instead. Hope you enjoyed this workout today. Make sure you leave me a comment and a feedback down below. And also, I have plenty of workouts back on the homepage of my channel, so head there if you would like to do something else. Right now, you've got loads of energy. Go back to my homepage, find another workout. I will see you again next time. Bye.